What's going on YouTube? And in today's vlog, we're going to announce the winner of my channel giveaway, as well as do a how-to on how to clean your Alcantara. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to D's Rides, the channel with vlogs, how-tos, and car reviews. And like I said, in today's vlog, we are going to go ahead and announce the channel winner of the giveaway, as well as do a little how-to on how to properly clean your Alcantara interior. Now, being that this is the end of the car season, what I'd like to do is I like to go ahead and just kind of do some upkeep, if you will, on the interior of the vehicle. And in today's vlog, I'm going to show you how to properly clean the Alcantara in your car. Now, your Alcantara will react to different oils on your hands and water and different things like that. So it's very important that you take care of that Alcantara as to make sure that it still looks resilient and just feels extremely soft. Alcantara is a blend between polyester and polyurethane. It's a little bit more resilient, a little bit more durable than what suede is. Suede was used in earlier cars. The more up-to-date, more modern cars usually use Alcantara, and Alcantara gives it a really good feel. You have the Napa leather that is on the dash, but then some of the other areas you actually have Alcantara pieces. So it just gives you a nice contrast between the two. At the end of a car season, I like to go in and just kind of clean up just to give it that nice smooth appearance and to try to preserve the life of the Alcantara. So let's go ahead and get into this vlog. So everybody, there's going to be a couple different things that we're going to end up needing for this project. We're going to need, I end up using 2 boar's hair detailing brushes. We're going to end up using a microfiber towel. I ended up getting Chemical Guys foaming citrus fabric cleaner. And then of course you have the spray bottle. You want to basically put in, what I ended up putting in is a 20-to-1 ratio with this. That is just kind of your general purpose mixture. If it's heavily soiled, then you want to go ahead and bump up that ratio to about 8-to-1. I end up having a little small vacuum. All right, so what you want to do is I'm going to break this up into probably 4 distinct sectors. So I kind of draw a line here and then kind of across this way. That way you want to work in small areas. I find that works the best. So then I'll go ahead and take the boar's head brush, as you can see, just a little bit there. All right, so I'll go ahead and take the brush. As you can see, I'm just working it in. No needing to be rough. Working in kind of a 6x6 area, maybe a little bit larger. Well, just make it to where it's a manageable area. Wipe that off. And now, like I said before, using the microfiber towel, just go ahead and lift all that dirt and debris that was on here. And I end up going in both directions. It helps to stand those fibers back up. And that's one thing, you don't want to saturate it because over time you'll end up damaging the Alcantara. And if it gets way too saturated, it's just going to look matted. As you can kind of see this up here, because this is the steering wheel and this is pretty much, you know, your hand is normally on it. I usually try to grab it at the flat bottom as well as here when I'm driving. Try to not to get too much of your hand oils on here, because that will also kind of keep, over time, it will matte this material down. So, all right, so I've done this half and up. to me, it's already looking better. And then I'll just keep repeating that over this whole area. All right, as you can see, there we go. Now what you want to do is you want to take a vacuum and you just want to get, you know, vacuum all these, anything that the microfiber towel did not get. You want to use the vacuum to go ahead and get up that excess dirt and debris. All right, so that area is pretty much done. What some people like to do is they'll like to put little designs and little lines and stuff like that in their Alcantara. Me personally, I don't do that. I like it better when it just looks kind of random. So I'll still just go through and kind of swipe it once again, just so that it looks more natural to me. The steering wheel is turned a bit, but I'm really interested in getting these fibers here to stand back up. Because of course, as you could probably imagine, what you put in your hands here, your hand secretes oils which get into the Alcantara and then kind of just starts to, over time, starts to wear on it a little bit, and it'll actually mat it down. I'm going to do the exact same process I did for the seat. However, I'm going to first try to agitate this, the Alcantara on the steering wheel, because like I said, it's a little bit more matted down. Let's see, I might be able to. Yeah, I think agitating it a bit first. So now we're basically going to do the exact same steps that we did before. We're going to wet up the brush and we're going to spray that surface. And once again, we're going to do exactly what we did on the seat. Same thing. You're just trying to lift. It already looks better. Like, I'm not sure if this is really doing it any justice, but if you can see between this one and that one, this one already looks darker. Yeah, that's in the sun, but regardless, this one looks like it's a little more furry, if you will, as compared to that one. I am going to do one more portion, and that's right here. As you can see, there's a little bit of dirt right there. So I'm going to do this one last spot, and then we'll go ahead and call it a day. Once again, I'm working in halves. I'm going to do this half over here, then I'm going to do that half back there. I wanted to really work that area that I saw the small stain on, or what I believe to be a stain. All right, same method. I want to pick and already looking better. Look at that, the stain is gone, if you saw that stain earlier. So everyone, how this is going to work is I'm going to go ahead and put my video URL in there, and then it will get the YouTube comments. Then I'll end up coming down here and do the random pick generator. Now, what will end up happening after we pick the winners, I'm gonna go in reverse order. So when I go ahead and pick the random pick generator, the start button here, the first time I do it, that's gonna be for third place. Second time I do it, it's gonna be for second. Third time I do it, it's gonna be for first place. And then of course, the first place winner will have an overall pick of all 3 prizes. Then number 2 will have a pick of what's left. And then the third one will be able to get what's left after that. So there should only be 1 gift left after that. So let's go ahead and do it. So third place is my man Justin from Horsepower Obsessed. He hit it up. I agree with everything you said in this video. D, the ZR1 is a beast. So congratulations to my buddy Justin. And now we are going to go ahead and pick the second place winner. And that person is Donnie Smith with a comment of, "What's up, DZ? Love your content. I don't own a ZR1, but do own and love my 16Z06. The ZR1 is definitely sick and sexy." So Donnie Smith, thank you very much, good sir. You are the second place winner. And now for the moment we all been waiting for, the number 1 winner, and the person who will get to pick overall as far as what prize they want. That person is Duramax Country Boy, my man Brock. What is going on, man? So he is the winner of the contest, Duramax Country Boy. His comment was, "I will own a C7 ZR1 someday. I love the front end engine manual transmission." I do as well, buddy. So thank you very much to everyone who participated. So everyone, in the description below, I will have my email address. And if you could, go ahead, please shoot me an email. I will then do some things to verify that it's actually you. And then we'll go ahead and get everything squared away to get you guys your prizes. So once again, thank you guys so very much for participating. Back to you, D. That's all that I got time for. Like I said, if you like the video, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you like the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And remember to hit that bell notification button so each and every time I put out a video, you'll be notified. And as always, remember, everybody deployed. And Merry Christmas, everybody. And I'm out.
Woo!